Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 241. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're also missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 9. And if the 5 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this row, looks like we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 5s here and here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're also missing 1 and 2. And I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 3, 8. 2 and 7 here, so 3, 8. 3 and 8 here, 2 here, means this is our 7. 3 and 8 means this is our 2. And we can get rid of this 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we've got the 4 and 5, so 6, 7. 4, 5, and 6 here means this is our 7, 6. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 8, 9. No help here. 3, 6, 8, 9. 6 here, so 3, 8, 9. 9 and 6 here, so 3, 8. So if we look, the only place the 6 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 2, 3. 3 here, so 1, 2, 8. So if we look, the only place the 3 can be in this box is here. And that means we can get rid of this 3. If we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. No help here. 1, 2, 7, 7 here. So 1, 2. So the only place the 7 can be in this column is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. Got the 1 here, so 2, 8, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 8, 9. 2 and 9 here, so 1, 8. If we look, the only place the 2 can be in that row now is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, and 8 here means this is our 9. That 9 makes this our 1, 9, 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 1, 9. And that 9 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 1. And that 8 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. That 1 makes this our 2. 1 and 2 makes this our 8, 1. That 1 makes this our 2, 1, 2, 1. All right, so now this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so this is our 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And I just noticed this 8 makes this our 3, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.